Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious muffins even without a traditional baking tray. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. We'll explore several clever alternatives that use common household items. You can still achieve perfectly baked, individual muffins with a little creativity and the right technique. Let's dive into these easy and effective methods right now. One fantastic way is to create your own baking cups using parchment paper or aluminum foil. Simply cut your chosen material into squares, about 5 inches by 5 inches. Then, press each square into a glass or jar to form a cup shape. These homemade cups can then be placed directly onto a baking sheet, ready for your muffin batter. It's a quick and effective solution. If you have them, oven-safe ramekins or silicone baking cups are excellent substitutes. Ramekins provide a sturdy structure, similar to a metal tray, while silicone cups offer flexibility and are reusable. Remember to lightly grease any non-stick surfaces, even silicone, to ensure your muffins release easily after baking. These options are great for consistent results. Regardless of the method you choose, some general baking tips will ensure success. Always fill your chosen cups about 2/3 full to allow for proper rising without overflowing. Bake your muffins at the temperature specified in your recipe. To check if they are done, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Enjoy your perfectly baked, tray-free muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.